Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking to break down a pallet, then this is going to be your go-to tool for that. My husband and I are in the middle of a DIY project, and so when we saw this pallet buster from Moosefield, we knew we had to try it. So some things to keep in mind about the wood on the pallet before you start using the tool are if there are cracks or holes around the nails, or it's really old wood that's already splitting, using the tool means you may not get the nails up with it. But if you're breaking down pallets that are good quality wood, there's no cracks or breaks around the nail, then you're definitely going to be prying those nails up with this pallet buster. I'm really impressed by the quality. It's steel, fully welded, and it has a cushion grip on the handle, so that makes it a little bit more comfortable to use. Just a tip for breaking down pallets, I found that I had to stand on like the opposite side of where I was using the tool to keep the pallet grounded. This has a really great double fork design, and it fits easily underneath the board so that you can just pry it up. Busting down pallets has gotten so much easier with this tool. You should check it out, and that's my point of view.